Hey man, say man, what's the deal with y'all, Trilly fam? Today, we finna be putting in this radiator. My new radiator ain't came yet. It say it's supposed to be coming Thursday, and I'm not waiting for Thursday to put it in. I'm not finna wait for Thursday to give y'all a video. I ain't gonna lie, if y'all don't see this video, then it didn't work. And I'm gonna just have to wait for the new radiator, or something else wrong with the car. Or I just don't know what I'm doing. Yes! Yes! But I'm finna go ahead and show y'all what we got so far. These the old, did y'all see it look old? These the old ones. And I can't even see where the little hose is, if it's holes in it. And then we got this right here. This the new hose. As y'all see it look new. I ain't even opened these joints yet. We got the little hose, the long hose, then the longer, shorter hose. You know what I'm saying? So what we finna do is I don't got time to wait. And I'm not finna make y'all wait for a radiator video. So I'm just finna put all this back in. Probably finna try to spray this off because y'all see all that down there. That look like a cigarette butt. Is this a cigarette? I think I'm holding a piece of shit right now. Brother, You gotta remember, these for the little small holes, and this for this one. But they both look the same though. I don't know. I don't know what cars stuff be having the smallest difference and be so off. I don't know. All right, we got everything laid out right now. The coolant overflow. These fans are perfect, I ain't gonna lie. I thought that was messed up and I was gonna get new ones. 9 out of 10 shape. And then we got the old radiator and the new hoses right here. But this how the bay looking right now. See all that white? That's when we're overheating and spraying all that coolant. New thermostat, Nismo thermostat. Oh, I forgot the air intake. And I got a still in air intake. And these weak coilovers. Do y'all see them coilovers right there? Suck. They suck, bro. The weakest coilovers I ever had in my life. Previous owner put it on. Don't ever buy them coilovers. I think them like $200 coilovers. And it's an all-wheel drive car. And I think that is rear-wheel drive coilovers. I don't know what they was thinking. How dirty this is right here, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm finna use that. It look like mold inside of there. I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but I just need to clean this off a little bit. And I forgot where this overflow hose go, I ain't gonna lie. YouTube University. All right, I'm kind of slow. The coolant overflow hose hooks up to the cap on the radiator. Shut up, you ain't know either. I don't want to hear you. I don't want to hear nothing. You ain't know. Calm down, Jamal. So here go the radiator right here. You see? All right, now the radiator is back in. Now we gotta hook these little holes up down here. We'll do this one first. Alrighty. Gotta put a clamp on this one. There we go. Put that back on now. Newsy one. Beach. Damn, this shit ain't been touched since 06. Slide it now. Probably not. This shit's stuck on. Dang, look at the engrave on that. Dang. All this dust coming from this joint. It's hot, bro. I had to take my hoodie off. It got way too hot. This junk go had to come somewhere. Pause. No diddy. I might just have to take the whole engine apart. See, I already got the other side off. The other side was hard too, but I got it off. That shit look nasty.
A few moments later.
Yes, motherfucker. Got that guy off, and as you see, it's dirty, just like the other one. Oh my gosh, boy. Now we can just take this out like so. I think this hot. Whoa, what's happening? Oh, it can come out? Yo, I'm so dumb. Like, it's so easy to get the clamp off. But we got this weekend hose off. Oh my goodness. Tell you what, boy, when you out of luck, zip ties is your friend. Cause I could not get this on the little metal piece, but we still gonna keep this right here. And I couldn't do the same for this one, so we still got the zip tie right down there. Them shit should become your friend when you was out of luck. Now we putting on these holes right here. All right, and this right here is the last hose. And then we gotta put on the fans. All right, my camera on 1, so if it die, back on the phone. There we go. Alright, camera died, as y'all can see right there, camera right there. But we got everything installed, man. Everything is installed back how it's supposed to be. You know what I'm saying? Now all we missing is cooling in this guy. So we gotta go to advanced auto or AutoZone to get cooling real quick. And we gotta install this back in. I'm probably about to do this real quick. We here at AutoZonia. I don't see a lot of these. They're joint yellow too. Shit hard. I need this one right here, buddy. Alright, hold on, I gotta get the little thing real quick, man. And I don't got no funnel to bleed it, so we just finna be letting it spray out on the car. No, what? Whoa, no. Just finna be letting it spray out on the towel and like go up out on the towel and jump. Cause I don't got nothing to, you know what I'm saying, keep it in there. We finna go ahead and fill that guy up real quick, man. So yeah, what I rigged up is I don't got the little thing. Let's see if y'all can see it. I don't got this, the plug right here. It's that little black thing right there, but the plug is right there to let all the coolant out of the radiator, and I don't know where I put it. So I use my little things to my bumper to like keep the bumper intact. I use one of these to just press it up there for the time being. Shut up. I don't want to hear none. Shut up. Bro, I gotta find that black thing. Alright, so I just did something like a stupid kind of dumb, but it might be a smart kind of dumb. I'm gonna just show y'all real quick. So first off, for that, remember I said how I put these inside of the little radiator, under the radiator thing, but I put a new one in here right there. I put a new one in here and I put super glue on it.
Oh hell no, man.
Now I don't know if it's gonna work. I hope it works, but I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. I put some on the top of it and the bottom. It's never coming out, but good thing we got another one on the way, right? Y'all put your fingers together. Let's hope this works. Alright, I told y'all, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead, I ain't even finna say too much. Just pop my collar on these niggas, man. Shit. Pop my collar on these, man. What I tell y'all? It might be a stupid dumb plan, or it might be a smart dumb plan. And it's smart, buddy. I'm about to go ahead and pour this coolant in here, and y'all about to watch, like before. There's literally nothing leaking out right now. We straight, baby. This thing don't got no power right now. Like, I came in, unlock and lock the door, so we finna have to jump this thing up real quick. My bad, y'all. Just the boring part right now. I know y'all probably just waiting for the startup. That shit scared the fuck out of me. Do it again, let me see. Alright, we got the towel I was talking about. It's already bubbles coming up, dang. But we just about to under the hoses and junk so we can catch all the coolant coming out. I got a funnel, but it don't really be working all the time, so. But I don't need no key to start this junk up. I could just start it up. Then we gotta rev it to 3,500 RPM. My GoPro keep overheating, but we finna rev it to 3,500 RPMs. For 10 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, see, we can squeeze this right here too to like burp it. So it might get a little windy in here, y'all, my bad. But y'all see we got it all the way up. Then you finna do it one more time. Fuck! That shit hurt. Shit. Oh, of course that was just happening. My damn thing came off. I gotta get some gloves for that though. That junk. I got the glove and put it back on there. Now we got power again. Gonna start that guy up real quick. No way this shit need. Bro, I was just charging it for that long ass time. There we go. Alright, we back, baby. Let me turn it off real quick. Crank this guy right back on. Bleed it some more. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't finna give y'all a long clip of me bleeding it. I'm just finna get back to y'all when the temps is right. Bleeding. Yo, it's the bug.
Shut up and fix the car, jackass.
I'm also surprised this ECU is not fried on this car because as I told y'all, it is leaking all through here and junk, and the ECU is on this side. or this side, but it's all electric on each side of the panels, and I'm just glad it ain't fried yet, but I'll get back to y'all. Okay. All right, gang, it's another day. Now, I ended this video yesterday night, but I was just like, why would I put 2 videos when I could just add it all in one? I hope this not a long video, but I'm finna show y'all what happened last night, why I didn't update y'all, or why I ended the video. Right there. All serpentine belt. Now, I do got a clip of the serpentine belt shredding. When I was outside, I was revving it, and you could just hear it like shredding. OD, just like shredding. So I went to AutoZone this morning because we got to get this done. I just came back from AutoZone actually, and it's like, anyway, it's 12:16. And we just got back from AutoZone. I got this pulley right here, and I got this idler pulley, and that's right there. I think that's right. Let me compare it actually. I ain't even take it out. Yeah, man, I don't know what happened. It just starts shredding. I want to say because the belt is old, or it could be like bad timing or something like that, but let's just cross our fingers and not hope that it's bad timing. And as y'all see, I just got these coolant hoses and stuff yesterday, and they already greened out with coolant spots, like OD. But we finna take these fans out right now because I can't even get down there and have no room for real without having the fans out. So we finna go get the stuff to take it out. I'ma just hope y'all can see. But as y'all see, we in the G right now. The temps is looking good, not gonna lie. Finna put it in manual. I can't even see nothing back here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Dang, this shit keep hitting the fucking... Temps is looking good right now, y'all. Hope y'all can see. Have to tie the junk up or something, bro. The temps is looking good right now, y'all. Hold on. I think the G back in business, baby. So right now, I'm on the way to the gas station to go fill this guy up. I mean, this girl up. I forgot her name, Trilly. She's a girl, y'all. And we got some, damn, man. Then we got the Sunroofiana, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit! There you go, but they gonna get me. Shit got no power steering. No shit. I think my tank on the right side. Fuck. Oh yeah, my pump on the right side. We good. I thought my shit was on the left. I'm finna walk in there with this shit on my head. I'm gonna see what's up. They gonna be like, is it recording? I'm like, no, it ain't recording. See something? Y'all don't look at my bank account, bro. Come on. No problem. Let me show y'all something. Kinda want a Red Bull, I ain't gonna lie. But I don't need one. I ain't at work right now, so I might give me a beer. I tried. Nah, I ain't finna do that. They just get the regular smuggler, man. All right, I got my settings right. My fault, y'all. But he's out right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of happy. I'm kind of happy that it's not a blown head gasket or nothing like that, and it was just a lot of air in the system. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I was finna sell it. But I was thinking last night, like, imagine if I 2J swap it, and I don't even care for a GTE. I just want a GE and just build it up to a GTE type. Cause them GTEs is too expensive. This also takes 93, by the way, if y'all didn't know that. And it's not really funny, it's bad because it's more money out my pocket with these high 93 prices. Oh yeah, $3.01 today. It usually be $3.05, 6 cents. Might get us a couple gallons out of here, man. And I don't ever use Exxon. I just needed, this is just the closest gas station to me, so I just went ahead and went here. Yo, is y'all ready for the G35 POVs, man? Am I gonna get a G35 audience and an IS audience? That'd be lit, I ain't gonna lie. If I get an IS audience and a G audience. Ooh, look at the luxury in this shit. No, damn, my shit died. Might be this right here. This shit always be fucking up. No way, I just filled it. See, there we go. There we go. I told y'all that's what it is. There ain't no box back here. I'm finna have to walk back to the spot. So we got that bitch started, but it's got some wake smoke come out. I wanna say it's starter fluid. I don't know, but it bitch started. Finna drop this nigga off, and then I'm finna take it back to the spot, get a little POV if I can with this phone, cause I don't, my damn GoPro dead. So. Nah, it's gonna leak out.
No.
That shit cracked or something.
Oh God, that shit bad as hell.
Ain't nothing in there.
I swear, I'm hitting like these.
Alright, let's do it, bro. We blocking up 2 points now.
Slow this bit down. This bit don't got that much air in the tire.
Damn, my temperature is rising.
For real?
Yeah.
It's getting OD hot. You gotta take that bitch out of gear to it. Damn, this bitch tweaking.
This shit hot now.
He behind us too.
Over with. Y'all see the temps? That shit going back up. We just had to stop for a little bit. We out 3 minutes from the spot on the back roads, bro. Hey, yeah, I know exactly. I thought this was a quarter set back here. What the fuck? It's a whole way. Oh shit. Do not like that.
Lay up with a vibe and night off. Spend the night and I'm fucking the lights off. Spray the drums out your car like some lights off.